Good morning, dear parents and students. I, Dhanmala, will be taking your science class. Today's date is April 16th and the day is Thursday. In the previous video, we have studied the herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. And today we will study their teeth and their eating habits. So let's start. Herbivores and their teeth. Herbivores have different types of teeth depending upon the food they eat. You know that rabbit, rat, squirrels. These type of animals, they have sharp front teeth. With the help of these teeth, they bite their nuts, fruits and seeds. So these animals actually gnaw the food. These animals gnaw the food. This is the word gnaw. It means they eat their food with the help of their sharp front teeth. You can see in the picture, squirrel is eating nuts and rabbit is eating carrot. Another category of the herbivores animals, those animals which eat grass. So plant-eating animals like horses, cows, giraffe and goats. These type of animals, they eat grass. They have flat and broad front teeth. What kind of teeth they have? They have flat and broad front teeth. Why they have these kind of teeth? To bite off leaves and grasses. So their strong back teeth help them to chew the food well. और उनके back teeth जो होते हैं, they are also very strong that help them to chew the food well. You can see in the picture horse and cow, they are showing their teeth and their teeth are flat and broad. So eating habits of herbivores. They have different types of eating habits. First one, cows, buffalo. These type of animals, they first nibble their food. Yes, they first nibble their food. Nibble their food means they first eat their food gently and fill their stomach. And then later they bring it back into their mouth and keep chewing it for hours. What happens? Cows and buffalo type of animals, first they nibble their food. पहले तो वो खाना जल्दी जल्दी खा लेते हैं and fill into their stomach. And what happens later? They bring it back into their mouth and keep chewing. फिर उसको वो बहुत घंटों तक चबाते रहते हैं. And this is called chewing the cud. Chewing the cud. Some other examples are sheep, giraffe and camels. They also chew the cud. So next time, if you see a cow relaxing and chewing, remember that what is she doing? She is chewing her cud. Okay. Another one, an elephant. It has also different eating habits. Elephant has a long and thick trunk. आपको पता है ना, elephant की सूंड होती है. It has a long and thick trunk which help it to break off the branches and leaves and push them into its mouth. Actually, elephant जो grass and leaves and branches जो भी खाता है, कौन हेल्प करता है? उसकी ट्रंक हेल्प करती है to break off all these branches and leaves and push them into its mouth. Also, this trunk is used for drinking water. How elephant drinks water? Actually, elephant sucks up the water into the trunk and then curls the trunk inwards and blow the water into its mouth. जो एलिफेंट है वो पहले पानी को सक करता है अपनी सूंड से और फिर वो सूंड को अपने माउथ में ब्लो कर देता है. So in this manner, elephant sucks the water. You can see in the picture, elephant using its trunk for feeding. Okay. Another animal, giraffe. Giraffe has also a unique eating habits. It has a long neck which help it to reach the branches of tall tree and break off the leaves. You can see in the picture, giraffe breaking off the leaves from a tall tree. Now, carnivores. Carnivores, their teeth and eating habits. So carnivores actually are those animals that eat flesh of other animals. Okay. Example we have studied in the previous video, tiger, lion. These are the examples of the animals that eat flesh of other animals. They have different type of eating habits. Carnivores animals, like flesh-eating animals, for example, tiger, lions and foxes, they have very sharp pointed front teeth to tear the flesh. See in the picture? Lion and tiger, they have a sharp pointed front teeth and they have a very strong jaws, and the back teeth are broad and flat, which help it to chew the flesh. Okay. See the picture, pointing teeth of a lion and tiger. Snakes, again a carnivores. Snakes do not have teeth. Snakes do not have chewing teeth. Then how it eats the food? Snakes do not chew their food. Actually, it swallow their food. It swallow their food whole. See in the picture, snake swallowing a frog. Snake swallowing a frog whole. पूरा का पूरा frog snake swallow कर लेता है. Insect like bees, butterflies and mosquito. How they eat the food? They have a long thin tube and they suck the food into their mouth with the help of this tube. Okay, you can see in the picture a butterfly have a long thin tube. With the help of this tube, it sucks the nectar from the flowers. Frog. Frog has a long and sticky tongue for catching its prey. Frog also has a unique eating habit. When a frog spots an insect, जब भी frog एक insect देखता है, it stick out its tongue. वो अपनी tongue को sticky tongue को बाहर निकालता है and catch the insect, and then it roll back the tongue into its mouth. So in this manner, a frog catching an insect. How it catch the insect? A frog has actually a long sticky tongue. When it sees the insect, it take out its sticky tongue outside and it sticks with the insects, and then it roll back the tongue into its mouth. So in this manner, frog catching an insect. Food chain. What is food chain? You know that a grasshopper eats grass, a frog eats grasshopper, and a snake eats the frog, and an eagle eats the snake. What does it mean? See in the picture, a grass is eaten by grasshopper, and a grasshopper is eaten by frog, and frog is eaten by a snake, and a snake is eaten by an eagle. So this is like a chain that the plant and animal form, and this is called a food chain. This is called a food chain. So what is food chain? A food chain shows how animals or plants eaten by other animals. What is food chain? Food chain shows how plants are eaten by animals and animals are eaten by other animals. This is called food chain. And in this food chain, a plant is always at the beginning of the food chain. So all animals actually they depend on the plants. Okay. Now here are some questions for you to practice. Fill in the blanks. These are the helping words. Snakes dash their prey. Giraffe feeds on dash only. Frog has a sticky dash. Buffaloes dash their food first and then chew it. Butterfly dash its food. Squirrel has sharp dash teeth. With the help of this helping box, you can easily fill in the blanks. I request the parents to help your ward to learn the different types of eating habits of animals. So till then, take care, stay safe at home. Thank you.